Today we are taking a quick walking tour of the 1985 PT35 Code 1 as she sits here at Pirates Bay. Nice things about the PT35 is you get a ton of space for a 35-foot waterline. We're stepping in on the starboard side, and first thing you'll see off to your right is an actual helm. Boat is powered by twin Perkins 120 horsepower diesels. Nice upgrade. Generator has just been rebuilt, and yes, again, she is a diesel boat. Looking forward, we come to the galley. Of course, we have the apartment-sized Norcold refrigerator. She is a U-shaped galley, and we have a newer cooktop, double stainless sink, and even a microwave. Across from our galley is the head number 1, and this is just for a day head or a head for your forward cabin. So we're stepping into the forward cabin next. And of course you do have drawers, lockers, and a hanging locker in the aft cabin. Now, to give you a sense of scope, I'm all the way back inside the forward V-berth, and I'm looking aft to the aft cabin. So we're going to step up the 2 steps to the salon. So now we're in the salon. We have a bar stool for a helm chair, which is all you really need. We have 2 separate seats, an ice maker to starboard. Looking to port, we have an L-shaped lounger. Now we're going to step down. Absolutely love the aft cabin in these PTs. Lots of room, more than you would think. So we have this bunk berth. We have a built-in chair, a desk, and then coming around we have another head with a separate shower. So this is a dry head, in case you're wondering. And of course the aft stateroom does have a hanging locker, some drawers, a regular locker. There is a TV back here. Lots and lots of room, guys. I don't even have all the lights on, and you can see how airy it is. Well, thank you for taking the time to take a quick walking tour of Code 1, the 1985 PT35, as she sits here in Fort Walton Beach, Florida at Pirates Bay.